Euro truck here at the 2023 TCS National Finals at Hobbyplex here in Omaha. We got Kenny Kinney starting on pole on Euro trucks. Our drivers are ready. Quarter marshals are ready. Good luck, drivers. We're on racing on the sound of the tone. And here we go. Let's have a good start, guys. Nice and easy, nice and easy. And a very nice start. Here, let's go racing. Euro truck style here at the TCS National Championship at the Hobbyplex. McKinney leading the way, followed by Stevens. McKinney in the wall, he bangs it. Here comes Stevens down in red and white right behind him. Followed by the old yellow Charlie Banks behind him. Fantastic start. What was some very close qualifying 10, earning the pole position. He's got Jeff Stevens still in his rearview mirror. Oh, McKinney with a mistake there, trying to go back to the inside. Oh, McKinney put his elbows out after a mistake, able to hang on for the lead. Stevens behind him. Charlie right there, Dennis, followed by Ronnie, David, Mike, John, Don, and Chris. This is a 6-minute main Euro truck. Here at TCS Finals 2023. Oh, mistake there. Stevens down the lead. Yeah, Stevens out front. He's rocking the red and white. Number 2, McKinney in the 1. Charlie behind him, rocking the all-yellow crowbar. All-yellow crowbar became famous for the one and only Fred McDale back in the day. Stevens down the line, McKinney. Charlie, Dennis right behind them. Ronnie went in this fight. Stevens in that red line, number 2, 10. Now under attack from Charlie. Charlie rocking the all yellow. Pro mark number 3 down the straight. There you go. Good job. Thank you very much, Chris. Good job. On there. Through the X section here on the straight. There you go. McKinney behind him, followed by Charlie and Dennis. Then Ronnie behind him, followed by Dave. Back out front to the front side chicane. It's Stevens leading away. McKinney second, pulling away a little bit from Charlie. Dave now, going to get by Ronnie. On the back straight they go. In front of the driver standing in the steering here later. Jack Stevens, Ken McKinney. Followed by Charlie, Dennis, Dave, Ronnie, Mike, Don, John, and Chris. We got 3.5 minutes to go. The gap right now, 8/10 of a second between Jeff. Oh, can't let him catch that corner there. That's going to bring Charlie a bit closer. On the back straight around here, going to be coming up on John Brown here in the middle. Stevens out front, the red and white, 31st chicane, followed by 10, followed by Charlie, Dennis, Dave, and Ronnie. Down the back straight they go, 3:10 left to go. Dave and Julie, thank you, Chris. All right, put it into the F section here, right behind John. John giving it a room, he's going to have second, third, and fourth still to follow. Stevens out front, leading away. John giving him outstanding, great sportsmanship and success all weekend here for the TCS National Championship. Third spot down the back 30 in the all yellow. John going wide, giving him room. Charlie trying to stay in touch here with McKinney. Dennis going to be coming up on John here in a moment. We got 2.5 minutes to go. Down the third they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take it, John. 2:15 they go. Down the back straight, you're going to have the leaders coming up on him. Down right now, running in the 8th spot. It's here right and white to the front chicane. Oh, Charlie has caught in McKinney now. The battle for the 2 spots in the F section. Around the dots, down the back straight they go. 2 minutes left on the clock. We got Stevens on point. The battle right now, hot and heavy for the 2 spots. McKinney battling here with the lettuce. Oh, Stevens going very wide. Oh my, giving up that 1 second lead. We got a 3-horse race now for the lead. Coming into the front chicane. It's Stevens, McKinney, and Charlie. Minute 30 to go. McKinney over the dots. He's going to hang on to that 2 spot. Charlie right behind him. From the driver's stand, they go. They got clean track for a while. Stevens out front. 10 right there. Followed by the all yellow Cardi, Dennis and Dave on the back straight. We got a buck 13 to go. Stevens still on point. McKinney, Charlie right there. ABS section on the straight they go. First, second, and third across the start finish line. Through the sweeper they go. 1 minute to go. Stevens over on a huge bird. McKinney side by side. Seconds to go. Through the